Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to delete Google account permanently on Android. So if you want to delete your Google account or your Gmail account, so what you have to do is, first of all, just open your Gmail app. So you have to open your Gmail app like this. Now click on it, and now you have to wait for few seconds, and here you will see your account. So now click on this, your profile picture, and here you will see under your now you have to choose which Gmail account you want to delete. So I want to delete this exam corner Gmail account. So now what you have to do is just click on manage your Google account. So when you click on your manage your Google account, here you will see lots of options: home, personal info, data, privacy, data and privacy. So if you want to delete your account, you have to click on data and privacy. Okay, now you have to scroll down, and here you will see lots of options. Now but you have to scroll down and scroll down, and here you will see delete a Google service, but you have your account. Here you will see delete your Google account. Okay, now click on this, delete your Google account. Now after that, what you have to do, now you wait for a few seconds, and here you will see, here you have to enter your password of your Gmail account. Okay, now I'm going to enter. Okay, after that, just click on next. Now when you click on next, wait for a few seconds. Here you will see, please read this carefully, it's not blah blah. You are trying to delete your Google account which provides access to various Google services. Okay, now this is Blogger and Gmail, and for all your photos will be deleted, your channel will be deleted, calendar, Google events, all these things will be deleted. So now if you want to really delete this permanently, click on yes and yes, and now you have to click on your delete your account. As soon as you click on this delete your account, your account will be deleted, Google account will be deleted permanently. So like this you can delete your Google account permanently. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.